Hi and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to be looking at Time of Your Life. Now, Time of Your Life is a pretty pacey song. It's got a fast beat per minute. So if you counted it out with the pulse, it would go 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be something like that, or even quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you've got fast paced songs, you generally would do an 8 strum. So it'd be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and if I slow that down a little bit, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the difference between an 8 strum and a 16 is fundamental. So a 16 strum would, in the same beats per minute, would go 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a, whereas an 8 strum would go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the difference being is the and on an 8 is an up, and the and on a 16 is a down. It's a fundamental difference. Time of Your Life has an 8 strum to it, and the strum we're going to be looking at today is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. I'll slow that down for you. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. And try and encourage your hand to do this sort of pendulum, what I call a pendulum type movement. So you don't go down, down, up, stop, up, down, up. Try not to stop your hand. Keep your hand moving in this pendulum type rhythm, and hopefully that will help the strum sound more together. So you've got down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. And to do the intro and the verse, you do a G to start with for 2 bars, then a C add 9, then a D sus 4. So G would be down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. C add 9, D sus 4. To G for 2 bars. So second bar, C add 9, D sus 4, and then you'll be doing the verse. This is where the singing is. C add 9, D sus 4. And again, C add 9, and that's the intro and the verses. Anyway, hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.